Hey sheepies, it's Chelsea. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm here to tell you that I graduated my diploma! So I graduated my diploma on Friday the 3rd of August. And with that, my mum, dad and sister were kind enough to buy me the airbrush and airbrush gun that I have been wanting for ages. I used this airbrush and the gun during my diploma course, so I became really familiar with it and I fell in love with it, so they decided to buy it for me for my graduation present, which is really, really amazing, and I can't thank them enough. So today, oh, that hit like right here. Oh, today, we're unboxing it. Alright. So this might not make for an interesting kind of viewing, but I don't care. Whoa! Alright. Hello there, my baby. So the airbrush is here, like the compressor's there. And then we got all this fun stuff. What is this? Oh, that's the hose. Oh no. Alright. Okay, so this is my pretty rainbow, I was about to say rainbow rose. Just like Rainbow Road in my area. Oh god. This is my pretty rainbow hose to connect my compressor and my gun. So yeah. And here's all my paints and my gun. Alright, let's pull this compressor out. Pull my baby out. Okay. Oh. Okay. Holy shit, this thing's heavy. Let's open up my compressor. Oh, little nozzles. Oh, they even come with little foam feet. Instruction manual. Probably need to read that. Oh, it comes with another hose. I just have multiple hoses. I mean, protection. I'm not gonna complain. Why do they keep getting... That thing is so heavy. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, she's a heavy beast. Let's pull these out. Pull this off. Here's my little air compressor. Oh, the cables are inside. Oh. Alright, so the cable is tied. I'm pretty sure of that. Gonna cut through it. Oh, can you cut through it? Oh, yes, yes you can. Yeah, cord to plug her in. Cap protector, I like that. The thing says start airbrushing now. I'm trying to start. I'm trying to. Okay. Come on, unwrap. Alright, so here's my airbrush gun. Hold on. It's got little things. There we go. There we go. So there's my little airbrush gun. Very cute, very shiny. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Oh. Oh my god, this foam is like hard foam. Yeah, very cute compressor, very nice, very nice. Needles in and a good length. This is a cute gun. It's a little bit different to what I had at school, but it's the same. Also at the same time. Very cute gun, very, very excited. Comes with a little cap. I like the caps because then I can mix my colour. Alright, let's put that back on. Again, there we go. And here is my paints. So the seller that I got it off included the paints in it. So these are water-based airbrush colours. The company is called Trident. I've never heard of them. So I'm interested to give it a go. So I get transparent, black, brown, violet, blue, red, yellow, green, and white. So that's really cool. I like that a lot. Very interesting. First airbrush colours that I have owned myself. So yeah, I'm excited to open this entire thing up and have a play if it will let me get into it. Oh my god. There we go. I got it. Alrighty. Yeah, they sound like airbrush colours. Oh, I picked up the transparent base. What are you? Reduce or concentrate? Reduce or concentrate? So I read it. It's literally just bottled water. It's just bottled water. True white. I don't understand what transparent is. I feel like transparent is just white. Whatever. Brown. Interesting brown. It's very red based brown. True black. True yellow. True green. True red. True blue. And true violet. Oh, I love this violet. Oh. Alright. I'm gonna set this up and then I'm gonna come back. Alright. So I've set up my compressor. I've just plugged it in. Now we test if it works. Yes. So I've also got the hose in without the gun on yet. I'm about to put the gun on. But yes, it works. So that's good. It's really good so far. Alright. So here we've got my gun. Screw it onto the air hose. I'm so excited. So, let's put some paint in this. And let's try it. Alright. So, the most vibrant color I think I'll try first is the red. And I'll just do it on the back of my hand or my wrist. Just to show you what's like. Actually, I'm gonna do white, seeing as I'm gonna be painting myself as Death. Now that I've got my compressor, I'm gonna redo Death on myself. I'm probably gonna do that today. So I'm gonna do white. So So it's already in my airbrush, and white's one of the easiest colors to clean out my airbrush. Oh, do they all have caps on them? They do! Just PSA, they have caps on them. I mean, probably should have been obvious, but... Alright. Okay. So it seems pretty thin. Has a very interesting smell to it. Ready? Yes! So it's got a little bit of overspray, but that's nothing I can't fix, but... I think you can all see why I want to use an airbrush to make myself deaf. I think that's pretty obvious as to why. So even! And that spitting right there is because I've run out of paint in my little pot here. But there you go. That was my very big airbrush compressor and just airbrush unboxing. So yeah, this is gonna be a very, very short video, but that's totally okay. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you all very, very, very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.